At the end of the day, money is just paper. So, obviously, it shreds. But a hydrogel film, though, it is supposed to protect your screen, but it ruptures. Matte screen protector sounds fancy, but scratches on day one and gives you zero protection. And that budget tempered glass of yours doesn't do anything. You need something that actually fights back. And that is our second generation screen protector. Not only extremely easy to apply, but actually made to protect your screen while being very affordable. You don't even need to worry about dust. You can just put it on top, hold it as removing tape, swipe, and then peel. Then swipe from the middle to make it observe faster. Now swipe the edges like this. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Price version, protect your privacy from both sides at 28 degrees. Hydrophobic, electroplated, oleophobic layer makes your screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant and actually made to protect your screen properly. And if you like it, you get 2 in the box, so click the OK and purchase it now.